You're not broke because you're unlucky. You're broke because of habits. And most people repeat the same three mistakes their entire life without knowing.
You get paid. Immediately the money is spent. Bills, wants, everything. Then at the end, you hope something is left. There never is. This is backwards. You should save first, then spend what's left. But nobody teaches you this, so you stay broke your whole life. One unexpected expense due, car breaks, hospital bill, and you're in debt because you have nothing to fall back on. No cushion, no safety net. You get trapped in a cycle. Emergency happens, go into debt, spend years paying it off. Then another emergency comes, and you're back to square one. You see someone with wealth and think you can never get there. You don't see the 10 years of discipline behind it. They didn't start rich. They started exactly where you are, but they made different choices, consistently, for years. The three mistakes are fixable right now, today. Reverse the order, build the cushion, play your own game. 6 months of different choices look small. 1 year looks different. 2 years, unrecognizable. That person with wealth, that's just the future version of you. Stop repeating mistakes that keep you stuck. The exit is simple. Know your three mistakes. Fix them. That's it.